Hey guys, and welcome to Music Prod's YouTube channel. My name is Martin Svensson and I'm a music producer since 2006 from Stockholm, Sweden. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. It's a place where I share free resources, tutorials and courses about music production in Logic Pro and Ableton Live, as well as other music production software and plugins. Since 2014, I've created dozens of tutorials and courses which tens of thousands of students have enjoyed. From music production, coming up with ideas, arranging, mixing, mastering, and other tips and tricks, and much more. We will upload on this channel weekly, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and you won't miss any tutorials or other music production related videos. Also, make sure to head to our main webpage, music-prod.com, to check out our full-length complete courses for music production, where you can enroll all of them for free with a subscription. Thanks for watching and have a great day.